Program alarm. First, you will need to open the mobile app and connect to the pillbox. If the Bluetooth icon on the top right corner of the screen is blue, like in this case, that means the app is connected to the pillbox. Now, if you press a compartment on the pillbox illustration, you will notice that the corresponding line on the list below will be highlighted in blue. You will also notice that the corresponding lights on the physical pillbox are illuminated. This way, there's no confusion as to which compartment you're wanting to program. As you can see, if I press the 7th line, the 7th compartment on the illustration and the physical pillbox will be selected. Now let's select the 2nd compartment again and add pill information by pressing the plus sign. You can proceed to type the name of the pill you're adding, the treatment frequency, the number of times you have to take a dose per day, and the specific times you have to take those doses. You should also select the number of pills you have to take at each time period. For this second time, at 8 p.m., I will take 2 pills. Once you have finished inputting the information, proceed to open the device and pour the pills into the correct compartment. Lastly, press Done, and the information will be sent and stored in the pillbox.